Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to become a virtual assistant and make $2,000 plus a month. So make sure to watch the full video. Making money from home is something that we've all thought about and maybe even dreamed of. The idea of completing a day's work without having to change out of your PJs is just the kind of thing that excites many of us. But it can be a struggle to come up with the right idea to make our dreams a reality. So this is where I come in. If you consider yourself to be someone who is organized, interpersonal, is knowledgeable in all things internet with great communication skills, then becoming a virtual assistant may be the perfect side hustle for you. In this video, I will take you through 5 steps to becoming a successful virtual assistant. Why should you become a virtual assistant? It wasn't until I did my first internship with a small business owner that I learned just how much goes into running a successful business online. There are so many important tasks that you don't even think of. From emailing customers about their missing packages to keeping track of all the business's transactions. Not to mention all the other tasks in between. This takes up so much time for the owner and can take away from what they really want to do, such as creating new products. Now, this is where you and other virtual assistants come in to save the day by specializing in the key skills that the owner either doesn't want to do or doesn't know how to do themselves. Not only that, but you will be able to choose your own work hours and be paid well for your knowledge, depending on how much you know, of course. What is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is someone who helps businesses with their services from a remote location. In simpler terms, you help make the owner's lives easier without even having to leave your home. Virtual assistants most commonly take care of administrative tasks, but can also help with other areas of the business, such as social media management. It's actually a very diverse role, and it's not the same as working as an executive assistant. Instead, you will specialize in certain services and mainly help out within those areas. To give you a better idea, here are some of the services you can offer as a virtual assistant. Online administrative assistant, blog manager, digital marketer, writer/copy editor, online customer service, email management, managing product launches, website design, community management and moderation, doing outreach, bookkeeping, data entry. There are no limits to what you can offer, and you can provide a variety of them. Keep in mind that if you are just starting out, it's best to choose 2 or 3 to begin with. As you further your business, you can start to add or eliminate services based on your skills, industry demand, and what makes sense for you. However, it is important you know what you are doing when it comes to your offerings. If you only know what the average person does, then you aren't ready to offer your skills professionally yet. I recommend checking out Udemy, where you can find affordable VA courses. Some are free or less than $20. Taking these courses will not only help improve your knowledge, but will also help you get hired. 3 simple steps to becoming a virtual assistant. 1. Decide what services you will offer. The first step in becoming a virtual assistant is determining what services you can offer and what type of client you will target. This is crucial because having a clear idea of who your clients will be is going to help you better meet their needs. The better you do that, the more your business grows and the more money you make. If you're struggling with what services you should offer, start by asking yourself, what are my strengths? Not only should you reflect on what you are good at, but also what you would enjoy spending your time doing. If that doesn't work, then take a look at the most in-demand virtual assistant services like social media management, blog writing, bookkeeping, etc. And take your pick from there based again on your interest and what you think you would be good at. For example, if you enjoy writing, you could help a business with writing and editing blog articles and email outreach in order to help them grow their presence online. Once you have chosen a service to offer, you can start to develop your pricing structure. 2. Determine how much will you charge. When it comes to working as a freelancer, it's crucial you have worked out how much money you will charge for your services. It's very easy to charge too little or undervalue your work. It's important to remember that any amount you set needs to be worth your time, while also taking into consideration all your expenses. Some expenses include website hosting, software subscription, and office expenses. Keep in mind that there are also no sick days, health insurance, or retirement plans, so that will also need to be considered when determining your price. When you have a clear breakdown of how much you're charging and why you are charging that amount, it actually makes the client more willing to pay the price. After all, you are making their lives easier. The rule of thumb is to take an hourly wage that you would receive working in an office and increase it by 25% to cover the additional expenses. Alternatively, you don't only have to charge an hourly wage. Once you gain more experience, you can charge a flat rate. This allows you to complete the required tasks on your own time instead of feeling like you're on the clock. Regardless of how you structure your payment, it's important to have some details figured out before you launch your business. 3. Build an online presence. In this day and age, it is so essential to have an online presence. Creating a website where clients can go to learn about your services and why you are the best person for the job is a great step in becoming a successful virtual assistant. Additionally, building an online presence means being active on social media. The key thing to remember is it's not being on every social media, but being where clients are. This could mean LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. This is also part of what makes step 1 crucial, because if you do not know who your client is, you could waste your time on the wrong platform. Once you have chosen your platform of choice and created your website, start marketing your services and reaching out to potential clients. Once you have completed the above steps and have begun to create a presence, you can start reaching out to clients. How to find clients? LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram can be great places to start. Here you can showcase your previous work experience and expertise through posts and videos, while also providing you with a place to advertise your services. Fiverr is my favorite freelance website use. It is another excellent place to advertise your skills. This can also help to get you started in building your client list. Job websites, such as Indeed, can be a great way to find legitimate virtual assistant jobs. Now that you have an idea of what a virtual assistant is and how you can start, the most important step of all is to actually start. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button and click the bell icon for more updates. If you are new to my channel, hit subscribe button